comes back clean. So there's no more soil on it. And then do that with the tops and then also with the bottoms. And then for the balls, we put them into this container here. Yeah. Usually if stuff's caked on, it can be good to get them off.
Mm-hmm.
And they just kind of sit there and let them soak while I clean everything else.
Okay. So you should be using only isopropyl, or you can use ethanol as well?
There's ethyl alcohol in there right now, so yeah,
yeah,
it'll
yeah,
work.
yeah.
Yeah. And these you can wipe off using either like the Kim wipes, yeah, or you can use
the microfiber cloth.
Yeah, it depends which one you want to use. I just find these to be.
It's pretty clean, right?
Yeah, just better.
Are you spraying alcohol to these bands as well?
Yeah, I just kind of spray like the whole thing roughly twice, and then I go around the outside. Some of them have like dirt really stuck into them, so I just
that's okay. Yeah,
off.
yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
And also, do you check anything while cleaning for any cracks?
Yeah, I can show you over here.
Mm-hmm.
This is what the broken ones look like. There's just like, they kind of flips like that.
Mm-hmm.
So then if they're broken, just sort of tell somebody so they can fix, because we can't use them.
Okay.
Yeah. Over the seal. And then basically, these are like all clean now.
You didn't do anything, just put them in there.
I put them in there and then I sort of like shake it around, and then they all kind of go in here, and then I dry them. Sometimes you'll see when they dry, there'll still be like a bit of soil on them.
Mm-hmm. Then you spray some out, yeah.
And I wipe it off with that,
okay.
and it works pretty well.
And when you clean these, do you have any expectation how it should be kind of at the end of the cleaning?
Just like this.
It should be like,
yeah.
So this is pretty clean.
That's, yeah, I would say that one's clean. Like, this one probably has some like stuff on it still, so I'll just spray it.
Yeah.
And then wipe it off. Sometimes if it's like really, really caked on there, I'll use the sponge to really get it off, and that works really well. But then I always soak it in the thing afterwards.
For how much time? Maybe 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
10 minutes? However long it takes me to do this. I usually do these first.
And you put 3 bullets to each?
Yeah, sure. Each one gets 3. And then have you used the grinder before? Oh, yeah. Okay.
This is sort of a refresher for me.
Oh, okay. Perfect then. Take it in there. I think.
Do you have soils to ground?
Yeah, do you mind if we do those?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay,
yeah,
perfect.
no problem,
okay.
Yeah. Go ahead with those.
Okay.
So you try to put them in order in this order.
Yeah.
The samples as well.
When they're like packed in there, I just kind of leave it like that so it makes my job
Easier.
yeah.
And I just sort of do like you.
So here you're using stock, right?
Yeah.
And do you have a measurement that how much you got put it down?
I just kind of guesstimate. It's like 2/3 of the way.
Okay.
Stuff like
Yeah.
usually I have to like pick it up and one feels like way lighter and the other's like way heavier. I'll like
Yeah.
add some like out, but for the most part,
So an estimate should be okay.
yeah, just to be exact.
You know.
And they'll like lock into place if you just rotate them.
Okay. So you need to hear that click sound.
Yeah, they'll kind of stop moving. And then there's just you would step right here,
Yeah.
and then you put these on.
Same thing. You need to
They'll
get it.
also lock into place. Yeah,
Right.
and then cut a just kind of go on top, and they should also kind of lock them.
I mean, you don't have a sequence there, right? How are you going to put
No,
them?
I'm just gonna put it
As
wherever I see it. Yeah. And then that's a really important part.
yeah. Yeah.
Just have to make sure this. And so you hear like that clicking sound.
So it shouldn't be that tight. Like you need to go really, really tight.
Yeah, I usually go until I feel like a bit of like resistance,
Okay.
and then right click then. Yeah. And then you sort of like just spin it down, but you hold like the red thing up.
Right.
And then to get the clicking, you have to let go up. Yeah, thanks. And then I just like spin it to make sure that it's not gonna
Hitting
get caught or
anything?
anything. Yeah.
Do you have to check the green label down there? I think. I could remember there was a green label.
Yeah.
Yes, this one.
Yeah. But usually if it goes over it,
Oh, okay.
that means like it should be green, right?
Mhm.
So yeah. I'm gonna turn on the machine. And then yeah, for round, just select one, you just press start, and then you do that, and then it should, yeah.
So in the meantime, you'll try to get those things done.
Yeah, so usually I can finish it before that finish it.
With him.
Eventually, yes, it's keep it more than the So do you have any sounds or anything like that you have to be cautious about?
If you hear a clanking sound, turn it off because it's probably things like gotten loose or whatever. And then you just like, you don't press stop, you just literally turn off the whole machine to the back.
Okay.
Yeah, you put the person back. If it seems like it's gonna like break open or something, leave the room, to be honest.
And what is the use of this one?
That's like sometimes if you do it too tight, it'll get stuck here, like you get off. Or
Yeah.
you just can't do it. So I think you can like put that on somehow and it'll like hold it steady so you can just like
Stop.
off again.
Yeah.
And it basically just do everything in reverse.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes the covers will get stuck to the bottoms of these when you're taking them off. So I just sort of like hold it down with one hand
Right.
so it doesn't. So,
So,
thank you. Thank you.
covered.
Cheers.
Done.
And then basically it's just
Green bottle.
to the cheers.
So,
It's a little bit sharing.
done once.
Yeah. And then if I'm actually like touching the soil, I just put gloves on.
Right. Hi.
Oh, if you still soil in here, there's a vacuum down there. You can just use to vacuum out.
Up there. So when you see soil, that means like, isn't it the spilled out?
To be honest, I think that most of it's like this is kind of dust, but like sometimes there'll be like actual like
Oh, okay.
it's usually it can be like thicker. But yeah, I don't really see any really good examples.
How it could happen smells like.
When you're taking it out, sometimes if you only grab the top, it'll spill out, or if you leave them around like the ridges,
Right.
it'll sometimes also do that. But that's not as noticeable.
It's just how it should look like.
I just shake it so, like the balls are loose, and then and then I keep them all like the palm of my hand.
Okay. Alright. Oh, sorry. So for 8 samples, how much time you spend usually?
It takes me around 45 to 50 minutes. I think it takes me usually about 30 minutes to clean it, and then
Okay.
maybe, like 20
I mean, it's still
minutes
under
to bed. Yeah. It also depends on how like cakey the soil is.
Okay.
Because sometimes it'll be like really difficult to get off like of these, so it takes
Right.
longer to just kind of scrub it all.
Mm-hmm.
If it is kicked on, you can sort of like do this about the soil thing.
Ah,
And
that's
for stuff that's not as it'll get most of it off, then you can put it in there.
so just dissolve.
Yeah.
So
When it's not awesome.
the cleaning process is very tricky, right?
Yeah.
Takes time.
Yeah. It definitely takes the longest for me.
But you can do like 8 samples at a time, so that's good.
Yeah. So you get a lot done. It just definitely takes a minute.
Oh, it's perfectly ground.
Yeah.
You cannot have a better answer.
No, it's good today.
It's very methodical how you do it. Very nice.
Yeah, I have to do like I'll forget stack it trust and carry. Wait, because what we don't. We don't have to.
Yeah. No, I mean, that makes your life easier.
Yeah. And then yeah, you can usually just fill this up to like whatever the line is. And then I can shake it sometimes and it'll get a lot of the cake stuff off.
Okay.
Then
how you fill the samples into the... Right.
so,
Okay, you do it like that? Okay.
yeah, that's how I do it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just kind of like,
Oh, that's a good idea.
yeah.
Well, it's pretty easy, right? Yeah.
Yeah. You get most of it out.
Mm-hmm.
Shake it.
That's pretty smart. I was thinking like you might be using that thing, spatulas.
No, because
It takes a lot of time.
yeah, they're not very big, so.
Yeah. Well, this is pretty smart.
Nice.
And then so usually there's a bit of like stylized on the canisters and
Right.
on the tops. And then
How you get that brush?
yeah, and then we just sort of brush around it to get as much off as possible before you have to wipe it off. To get out all of the soil.
If I get in there. So.
Um,
And then you...
it's emptied into the bedrooms in the hallway.
Right.
That, and then we just wash all of the like actual the cloths just in the sink.
Right.
That's it.
And then I saw how you clean those. How you clean those with alcohol?
Yeah. Just kind of the same way.
Uh-huh.
Spray it twice, and then that was sunlight.
Used to this.
And then I just sort of go around it. Yeah.
Okay.
Should it's student actions. Yes. Yes. It's nice.
Yeah, basically. And then I usually spray them like once more just because the leaves are kind of bleeding.
Mm-hmm.
Just to make sure it's clean.
One more spray.
Yeah.
16 as the classic so she was
And sometimes those are like still dirty, so then I'll just do it again basically.
Yeah. Until you see it.
Yeah.
yeah just so machine
Yes.
This tide is medicine.
It's not pretty clean.
No, they were still dirty.
Very good. Yeah. You should learn this stuff. And should.
Yeah. Okay.
And which? Yeah.
We use Program 2.
Mm-hmm.
I know Program 2 is like
For
everything else.
general purposes.
Yeah, yeah. And then I'm pretty sure like Program 3 is the clay and Program 1 is the sandy.
Mm-hmm. So if I ask you like for roots or for plant shoots, which program you used? No?
And
No.
we
Can
don't
you-
really, I just know that like for our
Yeah.
entire, it's all Program 2.
No. It's